Okay, now we are going to talk about how to set up your original profile. All right, the first thing that we are going to do is we have already registered, and when you registered, you actually filled in and picked a category, whether you're an actor, musician, or talent. So when you come back in with your user and your password and you go to manage profile, the system knows if you're an actor or if you're a singer because of your registration. So I want you to know you will not find a category on your profile. So let's talk about your profile. This one we are looking at as an actor. So we're going to go over the basic information on how to fill out your profile. If you look here at your profile picture, we choose a file right here. You click and you choose a file, and this is instructing you that's a JPEG, a GIF, a PNG, or a TIFF format, and the maximum is a 500 MB. So if you click a photo and it doesn't download, chances are it's too big, so try another one. We also like a landscape recommendation versus a portrait. You can also set, if you have a video player as a public profile, you can check this button right here, and you can make that your profile photo as picture as well. Now, this right here, you will see some of it's going to autofill and auto-populate from your registration. So you can go in and start filling in what does not autofill. Now, some of this is done because it's a completed profile, but I want to go over a few things. Right here where it says show age on profile, you can toggle this on and off right here in case you do not want to show your age. You then go in and you can do gender. You may or may not want to show your gender. That's up to you and how you like to handle that. You choose your ethnicity, and you can either show that on the profile or not. That's up to you. Height, weight, basically these are, things you can fill in. You've got your eye color, hair color, piercings, tattoos, affiliation, whatever you want to choose to put in, you can put in or not. Your biography is a little bit about you, what you'd like to tell the world about, and then your affiliate is, if you have signed up with an affiliate, you will get an affiliate code, and this is where it would go. And then right here you would hit Save Changes, and you have done your basic profile. Now, right here you'll see all the tabs up at the top. We will want to go to Contact Info. Once again, some of this will autofill from the registration form, and then you need to go in and fill out the rest. You will also notice that you'll have websites. If you're a professional musician, singer, and you have some websites, this is where you can put it in. You can also add another website if you prefer, and you can also remove the website if you have too many. And then, of course, you would hit Save Changes. Then you go to resume and skill. Now, this is important because this is where the comp card that the program does will get its information from. You can show the resume, toggle on and off right here on public profile. If you want to do some quick bullet points, work resume, I would put bullet points here. And then, of course, this is where you upload your resume, and we can only accept a PDF. So you'll want to make sure your resume is in a PDF file. Experience. These are bullet points here. Once again, on your public profile, you can toggle on and off, show experience, and then you can do TV commercials. This is an actor again. Hosted computer, guest appearance for tech, hosted. You can write in here and go hosted for Johnny Carson. You can tell my age, I'm dating myself. Carson, and then I can't type either. And then if you want to add an experience, you can just add, and then of course you can put the year and trash. This is very simple how to do it. You've got interest here. Once again, you can add more if you'd like. And then skills. Now this is the most important part right here, because this skill set is going to be on your comp card. So what goes here is what populates on your comp card. You can also see right here, toggle on and off public profile, so you'll want to know. Now, I cannot individually toggle on and off the skill set. It's either on or off the public profile. So that's the button right there. You can add more skills. Probably not do too many because there's not a lot of space on the comp card, so just keep that in mind. And then you can save changes, and you are back up to, it says updated successfully. Now we'll go to social media. This is where you could put in your Facebook URL, Now, if you don't know how to go and get your Facebook URL, it's really simple. Go to your Facebook page, and then up at the very top where you have the www or HTTP, you want to copy and paste that right here. You'll do the same for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. You go to the top URL and you copy and paste the HTTP or www right into these spaces here. And then you identify, is this LinkedIn? Yes, this is LinkedIn. Yes, this is Google or YouTube, your YouTube channel. And that once again, you can add here or subtract with the trash button. And then we'll go to your calendar. Now, this calendar is your events. This is if you're a musician and you're playing at a pub, you can come in here and say, I'm playing this date, this weekend, blah, blah, blah. If you're a model and you're doing the New York runway show, you can go and put in here, this is your events, and then you can add, obviously, an event here, save changes, and then it will tell you it's updated successfully to your calendar. Now, we've gone through everything. This is your basic info on your profile. Fill all out. This will auto-fill out, and then you fill in what you do and don't want. Save changes. Your contact info here. Save changes. Resume and skills here. Remember, skills is what shows up on the comp card here. And then your social media, all your YouTube channels, your Facebook, LinkedIn, your personal calendar. All right, now that we've gone through that, this is how View My Profile. This is how the public will see your profile. You'll want to look at this, make sure it's correct. Here's your comp card. You can go there and look at that from there. Make changes in another area. We show how to do your comp card. You can also do your social share here with your Facebook, your Twitter, and email it to you. So if you want to make changes and you see this and you're not happy, then you would go back, you just close the window right here, and then go back to your board to manage profile, and here you are back again. And that covers your profile.